Yoga, often perceived as a gentle practice, is a powerful tool for weight loss, especially for beginners. It's not just about bending and stretching, it's about connecting the mind, body, and breath. Let's explore 35 easy yoga exercises that can help kickstart your weight loss journey, each one designed to build strength, improve flexibility, and promote mindfulness. First, let's start with the mountain pose, or Tadasana. It may seem simple, but standing tall with your feet together, grounding yourself, and focusing on your breath sets the foundation for your practice. It teaches you to be aware of your body and your surroundings, a crucial first step in any weight loss journey. Next, we move into the downward-facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana. This pose stretches the entire body, especially the hamstrings and calves. It's invigorating and helps to build strength in the arms and shoulders. As you press your heels toward the ground, you engage your core, which is essential for burning calories. The cat-cow stretch, or Marjaryasana Bitilasana, is a dynamic movement that warms up the spine. Transitioning between arching and rounding your back not only increases flexibility, but also stimulates your abdominal organs, aiding digestion and metabolism. Let's not forget about the warrior poses, Warrior I, II, and III. These poses are fantastic for building strength in the legs and core while improving balance. Warrior I opens the chest and lungs, while Warrior II enhances stamina. Warrior III challenges your balance and concentration, making it a full-body workout that ignites your inner warrior. The chair pose, or Utkatasana, is another excellent exercise for beginners. It engages the thighs, calves, and core, and it's a great way to build endurance. Imagine sitting in an invisible chair and hold that position. You'll feel the burn, but it's a reminder of your strength and determination. Moving on to the bridge pose, or Setu Bandhasana. This exercise strengthens the back, glutes, and hamstrings. Lifting your hips while lying on your back opens the chest and promotes better circulation. It's a restorative pose that also helps relieve stress, which is vital for weight loss. The plank pose is a staple in any fitness routine. It builds core strength and stability, engaging multiple muscle groups. Holding a plank not only tones your arms and abs, but also boosts your metabolism. Next, we have the cobra pose, or Bhujangasana. This gentle back bend opens the heart and stretches the chest, shoulders, and abdomen. It's invigorating and helps to improve posture, which is essential for overall body awareness. The tree pose, or Vrksasana, is a balancing act that strengthens the legs and core while enhancing focus. Standing on one leg and placing the other foot on your inner thigh or calf challenges your stability and concentration, making it a perfect exercise for mindfulness. The seated forward bend, or Paschimottanasana, is a calming pose that stretches the spine and hamstrings. It encourages introspection and relaxation, reminding you to listen to your body. The child's pose, or Balasana, is a restorative pose that allows you to relax and recharge. It's a gentle stretch for the back and hips, and it's a great way to take a break during your practice. The side plank, or Vasisthasana, is a more advanced variation that targets the obliques and improves balance. It's a challenging pose that builds strength and stability, pushing you to your limits. The triangle pose, or Trikonasana, is a fantastic way to stretch the legs and torso while improving balance. It opens the hips and chest, promoting better breathing and circulation. The half-lord of the fishes pose, or Ardha Matsyendrasana, is a seated twist that enhances spinal flexibility and stimulates digestion. Twists are essential for detoxifying the body, making this pose a great addition to your routine. The pigeon pose, or Ekapada Rajakapotasana, is a deep hip opener that releases tension and improves flexibility. It's a challenging pose, but it's incredibly rewarding, especially after a long day. The boat pose, or Navasana, engages the core and strengthens the hip flexors. Balancing on your sit bones while lifting your legs is a great way to build abdominal strength and stability. The lizard pose, or Uttan Pristhasana, is another deep hip opener that stretches the groin and hamstrings. It's a great way to release tension in the hips, which can often hold emotional stress. The happy baby pose, or Ananda Balasana, is a playful pose that stretches the hips and lower back. It's a reminder to embrace joy and lightness in your practice. The corpse pose, or Savasana, is often overlooked, but is essential for integrating the benefits of your practice. It's a time to relax and reflect, allowing your body to absorb the work you've done. The sun salutations, or Surya Namaskar, are a series of poses that flow together, warming up the body and building strength. They're a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. The forward fold, or Uttanasana, is a calming pose that stretches the hamstrings and back. It encourages relaxation and helps to release tension. The Warrior 3 pose, or Virabhadrasana 3rd, is a challenging balance pose that strengthens the legs and core while improving focus. It's a full-body workout that ignites your inner strength. The fish pose, or Matsyasana, opens the chest and throat, promoting better breathing and relaxation. It's a gentle back bend that counteracts the effects of sitting. The crow pose, or Bakasana, is an arm balance that builds strength and confidence. It's a challenging pose that encourages you to embrace your fears and push your limits. Finally, the reclined bound angle pose, or Supta Baddha Konasana, is a restorative pose that opens the hips and promotes relaxation. It's a gentle way to end your practice, allowing your body to integrate the benefits of all the poses. Incorporating these 35 easy yoga exercises into your routine can create a holistic approach to weight loss. It's not just about the physical benefits. It's about cultivating a mindful practice that nurtures your body and soul. Each pose is a step on your journey, reminding you that weight loss is not just a destination, but a path of self-discovery and empowerment. Embrace the process, listen to your body, and let yoga guide you toward your goals.